everyone. This is a short little video that I was requested to make from a viewer. This is the ILG 10P volume blower. This one is the 3-phase model that I have, and I'm going to be starting it up on single phase, 240 volts, and I'm going to be using a capacitor as a static phase converter. And this is going to be just a 10 microfarad capacitor between one of the line legs and the third generated leg. So here we go. And now we're going to start it up again. Same exact configuration, but from the opposite side, so you don't have to hear as much blower noise, hopefully. Be able to hear the motor better. Alright, and just for kicks, I'm going to do a final comparison starting hard across the line on 3-phase power.